Picture this. You are 40-year-old sipping coffee on a Monday morning while the rest of the world rush to work. Why? Because your investment pay your bill, your savings are growing, and your time is 100% yours. That is financial independence. That is freedom. And this is not just a fantasy. It is exactly what your money or your life teach us to achieve. Today, I will break down the 9-step program from this life-changing book and show you how millions of people have transformed their money and their life. Stick with me until the end because the last step is where your life truly changes forever. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have ever felt trapped in the endless cycle of working, spending, and never getting ahead, this video is for you. Today, we are summarizing one of the most influential personal finance book of all time, Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin and Joe Dominguez. This book is not just about saving money, it is about refining your entire relationship with money, turning it from a source of stress into a tool for freedom. The system in this book has helped millions of Americans escape debt, save aggressively, and reach true financial independence. So, let's dive right into the 9 steps to financial independence. Step 1. Making peace with the past. The first step is simple but powerful. Calculate all the money you have ever earned in your life. Then look at what you currently have to show for it. This is not about guilt, it is about awareness. When you see the number, you start realizing where money has slipped away and where you have used it wisely. Step 2. Money equal life energy. The author introduced the core idea. Money is not just dollar, it is your life energy. Think about it. If you earn $25 an hour, a $200 purchase equal 8 hours of your life. Maybe even more when you add committing, taxes and stress. Once you start viewing money as your limited life energy, spending decision become much more intentional. Step 3. Tracking every penny for at least a month. Track every single cent you spend. The goal is not punish yourself. It is to uncover hidden spending habits. Example, that daily $6 coffee may not seem much, but it adds up to over $2,000 a year or nearly a full month of work. Example, that daily $6 coffee may not seem much, but it adds up to over $2,000 a year or nearly a full month of work. Step 4. Asking the fulfillment question. Each time you spend, ask, did this purchase bring me fulfillment, satisfaction, and value for the life energy I spend? This question cut out mindless spending and force you to buy only what truly matters. Step 5. The whole chart. Here is the game changer. Create a chart with 2 lines. Line 1 equal your monthly income and line 2 equal your monthly expense. Over time, you will see your expense go down as you live more consistently and your income, especially from investment, go up. Step 6. Cutting costs intelligently. Many people think financial freedom means deprivation, but this book shows that simplifying your life often increase happiness. Cut spending that does not align with your values, but spend freely on what truly matters. Example, one person might cut out luxury clothes but spend on travel. Another might cancel streaming subscription but invest in fitness. Step 7. Valuing your life energy more. Consider whether your job, the stress, the commute, and the hour spent are really worth the paycheck. Some people discover they can downsize, change career, or work part-time while still moving toward independence faster. Step 8. Investment strategy for freedom. The author recommends safe long-term investment strategy instead of chasing high-risk stock trading. Focus on consistent steady income from index fund, bond, or other reliable asset. The key is stability and sustainability, not gambling with your financial future. Step 9. The crossover point and beyond. This is the ultimate milestone when your investment income completely cover your expense. At this point, you no longer need to work. You can choose to work because you love it, not because you depend on it. The author emphasized that true wealth is not measured by your bank balance. It is measured by how much time and freedom you control. This book is not just about money. It is about life. The real gift of financial independence is freedom. Freedom to spend time with your family, to explore passion, to travel, to live life on your term. Imagine reaching a point where bill no longer scare you, where debt does not own you, and where your choices are guided by purpose, not depression. That is what your money or your life offer. A path to reclaiming your time, your energy, and your future. So if you are ready to stop trading your life for a paycheck and start building real freedom, take the first step today. Track your spending, rethink your purchase, and build your whole chart. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more deep dive into life-changing financial book, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notification. And let's make this interactive. Drop a comment below. What is one expense you could cut today that does not actually bring you joy? Remember, your money is your life. Don't waste it. Use it to buy your freedom. Thank you so much. See you in the next.